Hi guys, pernah tak korang pergi Mr. D.I.Y selalu dekat shopping mall dan saya saja nak tengok barang. Lepas tu, bila korang tengok harga dia sangat murah berbanding dengan kedai-kedai kat luar yang jual barang-barang tu. Tetapi, korang tak tahu sama ada barang itu berkualiti atau memadai dengan harga tu. So, korang mestilah risau and kadang-kadang nak beli, kadang-kadang tak jadi sebab murah sangat. So, today, I will try to help you with this problem. Macam saya selalu pergi Mr. D.I.Y sebab barang-barang kat situ sangatlah murah and banyak barang yang tak terfikir pun kita nak, tapi sebab dia ada kat situ and harga dia murah, kita beli. Tetapi barang-barang elektronik, kita tak tahu sama ada barang itu elok atau tidak. So today, I'm going to do a review with one of the items from Mr. D.I.Y, which is the Mr. D.I.Y cordless screwdriver. The Mr. D.I.Y cordless screwdriver package is very simple with a plastic seal. With the usage of 4.8 volt, number load of speed of 140 round per minute, max torque 2.56 Nm, LED light with battery indicator, and 3 to 5 hours of charging time. It contains 20 different bolt nuts, various size of Torx, Phillips, and slotted, which also include 2 longer of extended size, 3 different sizes of drill bolt size, and 1 bolt socket connector. For a 55 ringgit drill, it gives a lot. Let's see how good this driller is. Well, in this test, I will try to drill with 3 different thickness of wood board. In the first stage, the thinnest wood board, it got through really easy. Drill ini dapat menggerudi dengan sangat mudah, probably because the wood board is really thin. In the second stage, the medium thickness wood board, it took a while to drill the whole wood board, but it still managed to do so. Gerudi ini mengambil masa hampir 1 minit untuk menembus seluruh papan ini. Finally, the last stage, which is the thickest wood board. It took a very long time for it to fully finish drilling the wood board. Ia mengambil masa lebih dari 1 minit, tapi drill ini tetap berjaya menembus seluruh papan tersebut. Let's go ahead for the screw. The drill did absolutely great at all the tests I made, including drilling a screw on a door that doesn't have a hole in it yet. Di dalam lubang kedua ini, masih belum ada lagi lubang untuk di-screw, tetapi ia dapat men-screw dengan mudah sekali. Another additional advantage of the drill is also with the LED light. It was an ease to drill at a dark place, especially if you require to drill or screw on a small dark place or hole. To summarize the whole thing, is the drill affordable and useful for its price? Well, I have to say yes. For the price of only 55 ringgit, this small driller is absolutely great. But to what extent are we using it also plays an option. If you are trying to find an easy screwing device or wanted to drill a thin wood board for your small project, it will really help you. But purposely for drilling work, it wouldn't help that much, except if you just want to tighten bolts or screws. Another lack that I found from this driller is that it is really hard to reverse drilling because there is nothing holding the screw nuts with the driller. So it is easy for it to accidentally removed from the drill if you want to undrill. That is all for today's video. A subscribe and like from all of the viewers would be amazing. See you soon on the next video.